answer is very, very simple. China is the most important nation and civilization. This is essential work. If these two great civilizations are going to work together in harmony despite differences and rivalries. We are both members of civilizations that have to live together and understand one another and develop empathy, and that precisely when the political and economic relations are troubled, that's the time when culture plays a crucial role in promoting understanding and promoting peace. The most important thing we have to do with the Chinese students who are here, and to encourage future generations of Chinese students to come to the United States, is to assure them that they are welcome, that we wish to share in respecting and honor their traditions, their cultural traditions, such as the celebration of the New Year. Tan Dun has done a lot of work in the mixing of Western and Chinese traditions. And Jindong Tsai, who is the music director and the director of the US-China Music Institute, is a terrific conductor who's conducted both Chinese and what we would call Western music. And he's an expert also on the reception of Western music in China, and is a pioneer on bringing Chinese music to Western and American musicians and audiences. And we need to reciprocate. So why shouldn't American musicians learn about Chinese instruments, Chinese aesthetics of music, and its role in culture? So it can go both ways.